Difference between wanna and want to. Wanna and want to mean the same thing, but they are used differently based on the situation. Both express a desire or intention to do something, but one is casual and the other is formal. Want to is the full, correct form and is used in both writing and speaking, especially in formal settings. It clearly expresses what someone wishes or intends to do. For example, I want to read a book. Do you want to go for a walk? Want to is appropriate for school, work, essays, and official conversations. Wanna is the informal, spoken version of want to. It's a contraction and often heard in casual speech, texting, or music lyrics. For example, I want to watch a movie. Do you want to hang out? While it's fine for informal chats, it's not correct for writing or professional use. In summary, use want to for formal and written English. And use wanna in relaxed, everyday conversation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.